Hello guys, my name is Migdad and today we're going to do some NERF war. So let's introduce you to my bro. This guy over here is Mohammed and he has an AccuStrike Alpha Hawk, a nice sniper gun. This guy over here is Qutbuddin. He has a dual strike with mega and elite bullets. So you can change the mode and you can play on both. So we're gonna play a NERF for today, which is gonna be awesome. Okay? So guys, we're gonna introduce you to the place where we're gonna play. Wow, this is nice. Here there's a car, there's another car. This is full of hiding places. You can hide anywhere you want. A nice place to play. So, how are you feeling, both of you? First, you?
I'm better than him.
Okay, so let's start. So take your hiding places. Okay, both. Okay, Mohammed has taken his place behind the duster, and Qutbuddin, where are you? Where's Mister? It's behind the other car. I don't know which car is that. Okay. It's a Honda, whatever. Just play. Start. Oh, yeah. Okay. Both are running. They're not fighting. They're running. It's not an off war. Oh no, it's not. I don't. Woo! Aha! It hit Qutbuddin. Oh, Kubi! He's insane. Actually, dual strike. You? No. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Mohammed wins. He hit Qutbuddin very easily. Okay, Kubi, the match is over. The match is over. Very good. You done well. Even you win. Mohammed wins. You guys, Mohammed wins. Actually, Qutbuddin, you should not use the dual strike much. You should use your rough cut. And don't break it. We're going to use it for the next video. Guys, you know, I don't do it. Oh, no. Actually, you know what? That guy is a very, I don't know. I can't tell you. Yeah, insane guy. Insane and funny. Yeah, he was Okay. Stop. Nice video. Guys, clap for yourself. Yay. Woohoo. Tap on your back. Even you. Also, you're not doing. Tap on your back. Oh, you